The entry-level Audi EV just grew up. For 2027, the Q4 Sportback e-tron isn't just getting a fresh face, it's getting a heart transplant. This is the 55 Quattro Performance, and it finally has the range and the interface we've been waiting for. Let's talk power. The new APP350 rear motor is 10% more efficient, pushing the total output to 335 horsepower. It'll launch you to 60 in exactly 5 seconds. It's punchy, precise, and thanks to that dual-motor quattro system, it feels glued to the tarmac. But the real headline? Range. The Sportback's slippery shape now delivers up to 368 miles, WLTP, on a single charge. Audi also addressed the waiting game. The 55 Quattro Performance now supports DC fast charging at up to 185 kilowatts. That means you can pull in at 10% battery and be back at 80% in just 28 minutes. And for the first time, this Q4 supports bidirectional charging. Need to power your coffee machine or laptop at a campsite? Just plug into the 2.3 kilowatt outlet in the trunk. Inside, Audi listened to the fans. The haptic sliders are gone. In their place, a traditional round steering wheel with physical scroll wheels. The center console has been decluttered, replacing piano black with fingerprint-resistant matte trim. You're looking at an 11.9-inch digital cockpit and a 12.8-inch touchscreen, running a new Android-based OS with integrated ChatGPT. Visually, it's all about personalization. The new Matrix LED headlights offer 4 different DRL signatures you can change on the fly via the MMI. Combined with the 21-inch 5W spoke wheels and the lowered sport suspension, it looks more like a performance coupe than a family SUV. It's the quiet luxury of the electric world. Starting at roughly €58,000, the 2027 Q4 Sportback Performance is finally the complete package. Is this the best-looking EV in its class? Let me know in the comments. I'm heading back out for a drive.